And we're back to learning CapCut in year day 25. Let me show you how we can trim clips. Got a simple clip right here. The white number is the total length, so 20 seconds and 4 frames. The number in turquoise, this shows the position of our marker. And we can actually hover over the end and then left click drag. So when we hover at the right position, the cursor changes and then left click drag. On this side, you can trim your clips. You can also make that specifically, let's say 5 seconds exactly. So I position my marker at 5. I can't hit it perfectly, so I just use the arrow keys left and right to move 1 frame at a time. And when I am at 5 seconds, 0 frames, I hover over the end of the clip, left click drag, and it snaps to that position. Now we have exactly 5 seconds. The entire clip is still stored in this element, so I can hover over the end and left click drag again, and I've got my full 20 seconds back. I can obviously not go longer than that, because this is the original duration of the clip, so you cannot make that longer for obvious reasons. You now use, for example, the split tool. I press B, and then let me delete maybe this part right here and the part at the end. We now have 2 elements made out of the same clip. Currently they have around 9 seconds 18 frames. Then we put that to video channel 2 and here as well. To the right hand side it's all stored. At the bottom the full 20 seconds are stored as well. And I can now even go to the start of this element on video channel 2 and left click drag. So also the start, whatever came before I've cut it, this is also stored. You can see both have now 20 seconds and a couple of frames. Let me delete it again. You can make it longer once more. I'll delete the front part, and here once more it's all stored. So this how you can trim your clips, and if you're asking, well, how long are my elements, you can actually see that in the preview. So if I delete these elements in the timeline and I left click right here on the element, you can directly see it. It's 20 seconds long and it's all stored in there. No matter how you trim it, how you cut it, it will all be in that element for us to bring back. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.